Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're looking to give your Shopify store a fresh, professional feel, tweaking your header is one of the fastest ways to make a big impact. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to edit your Shopify header, including changing the announcement bar, adjusting your logo and menu placement, and making sure your store makes the best first impression. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to customize these important details, so your site grabs attention and turns visitors into buyers. Let's jump straight in. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, go to Online Store, which is where all the design magic happens. It's the hub where you control how your storefront looks to shoppers. Once you're there, click on Customize. This will open up your theme editor, which visually displays your site and lets you edit, move, or update different elements. Give it a second to load. Don't worry if your preview looks a little different depending on your theme. The process will be pretty similar. Now, focus on the top section of your site, the announcement bar. This is the strip that sits right at the top of your store, perfect for sharing crucial information like current promotions, free shipping, or special discounts. You want this message to catch your visitor's eye immediately, so it's worth making it compelling. Click on the announcement bar section in the theme editor. Here, you'll see an area to type in your message. Let's change the default text to something engaging. Type in free shipping for orders over $100. Short, sweet, and it clearly shares value for your customers. If you're promoting a seasonal sale or exclusive offer instead, you can easily swap in a different message here whenever you need. This area is super flexible. Next, let's spend a moment in the header section itself. The header is like your store's handshake. It includes your logo and navigation menu, setting the tone for your whole website. Click into the header options and you'll see layout choices for your logo and menu placement. Maybe you want your logo centered to make your brand stand out, which gives a modern, balanced look. Or perhaps you'd like your menu centered instead, making it easier for customers to find and browse all your categories. Think about what draws your eye or makes shopping smoother for you when you're on a site. If you're not sure, try toggling each option and see which one feels right. These changes don't just affect aesthetics, they can subtly influence how visitors navigate your store. Once you're happy with your edits, whether that's a punchy promo in the announcement bar, a perfectly centered logo, or a more easily accessible menu, don't forget this next part. Click the Save button. Saving makes your changes live and ensures your hard work isn't lost. I can't tell you how often people skip this step and have to redo everything. That's all it takes. You've now successfully customized your Shopify header and your store, going to look more professional and welcoming. Remember, these small updates can make a huge difference in how customers experience your site and in boosting conversions. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button so more store owners can find it. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's another Shopify feature you want to see covered. I always check and reply. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, actionable e-commerce tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store updates.